Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Sailing Zingaro channel analytics. They have uploaded 152 videos. They now have 103k subscribers with a total view of 15,437,362 views. They are from US. And their channel type is travel. They created their channel since October 15, 2016. The grade they got is B. And their social blade ranking is at 277,859th, the subscriber ranking is at 234,085th, and then video views rank is at 323,433rd. They ranked at 42,884th in US and 2,092nd in travel. Next, the daily subs for Zingaro is around 100 with a daily view of 22,097. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 22,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $88. Then, monthly income will be $2,640. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $1,452 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $17,424. That is how much Sailing Zingaro makes from YouTube.